Hi, so I saw you are getting an award tonight, and did you enjoy tonight?
Yeah, so enjoy tonight, and I'm impressed this night held by LAMPRO.
And it's a great pleasure to be here actually, and this is a great event.
It's amazing. So everybody enjoy the dinner, enjoy the show, enjoy everything. It's perfect night for us, and we really like this kind of event.
It's very good to be present here. I thank Miss Jasmine to welcome here. I visit your factory also in the evening, but it's so good, and the event is extremely awesome. We learn more thing about a new product and your technology and your things, your team. It's absolutely fantastic.
It was really fantastic. We've been in the show, we've been in the factory, and this night was really good. Well organized, and we hope to get more support from LAMP and Unilumi.
Sure.
LAMPRO